Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana. Now, what is this scheme all about? PMBJKS are accepting orders on WhatsApp and email to facilitate medicine procurement during lockdown. Under this initiative, the accepted orders are delivered at patients' doorstep. So, what is this scheme all about? It's a campaign launched by Department of Pharmaceuticals, Government of India, to provide quality medicines at affordable prices to the masses through special Kendra known as Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra. Bureau of Pharma PSUs of India BPPI is the implementing agency of PMBJP. Bureau of Farm Public Sector Undertakings of India has been established under the Department of Pharmaceuticals, Government of India, with the support of all central public sector units. Now, what are the salient features of this scheme? It ensures access to quality medicines. It extends coverage of quality generic medicines so as to reduce the out-of-pocket expenditure on medicines and thereby redefine the unit cost of treatment per person. Create awareness about generic medicines through education and publicity so that quality is not synonymous with only high price. A public program involving government PSUs, private sector, NGOs, societies, cooperative bodies and other institutions. Create demand for generic medicines by improving access to better health care through low treatment cost and easy availability whenever needed in therapeutic categories. Now, what is generic medicine? Now, there is no definition of generic or branded medicine under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and Rules 1945 made thereunder. However, general medicines are generally those which contain same amount of same active ingredients in same dosage form and are intended to be administered by the same route of administration as that of branded medicine. The price of an unbranded generic version of medicine is generally lower than the price of corresponding branded medicine, because in case of generic version, the pharmaceutical company does not have to spend money on promotion of its brand. So how are they regulated in India? Now, drugs manufactured in the country, irrespective of whether they are generic or branded, are required to comply with the same standards as prescribed by the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945 made thereunder for their quality. So it's a nice informative video which will certainly help you to be aware of this scheme, how the scheme is implemented and how you can avail the benefit of this scheme. Thank you.